So we've got the panel surgically clean. We've now got 3 waxes to try from the Bilt Hamber. We've got double speed, we've got finish, and we've got Auto-Balm. First one we tried, Auto-Balm on the wing, Steph.
Yeah, James wasn't very happy with this because I didn't stick to the instructions of staying within 60 by 60 area.
You didn't even
I did
read
the whole
instructions, mate, did you?
I'm a bloke. So applied it to the whole wing. James was fuming because it became quite tricky to get off. So after that, when we used it, we did stick to the rules and it became a lot easier. But my God, that is a slick product.
Felt super slick, that panel.
Yeah.
Totally agree.
Jeez Louise!
Yeah, it's really good. You can use it for a multitude of things as well. Chrome, metal, we even put it on all the wheels.
Work well on the wheels.
Yeah, works really well. Really nice gloss level, super slick, really nice product.
Yeah, totally agree.